1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to find you wherever you are.
Huh?
Well. Uh-huh.
Well. Here you are. It's so funny.
Now. Knock.
Did you find Ethan?
He will never find me.
Oh, wow. It's
Wow.
beautiful. Ethan, come out. Look, there's an airstrip here.
What airship? What else will you come up with to make me come out?
Ethan, come out. I bet you've never seen anything like that.
Shoo. Maybe he's here.
What are you doing? Everyone knows that the bush is infectious.
Infectious? With what?
You've been there? That's bad.
Why? Tell me.
The bush is infected with very, very bad luck.
Why? What is that?
From now on, whatever you do, you will experience very, very bad luck.
Come on, that's nonsense.
No, it's not. I heard one train has been infected with bad luck. She was so sick of that. So she decided to move into the mountains. She thought no disasters would find her there. But she was wrong. She thought she escaped from a meteorite, but no. People say she still shines from it.
Come on, that's not true. There is no bad luck.
But you missed the airship. That's bad luck.
I don't believe in that. Hey, guys!
I think this is bad luck. This is the longest train in the world. It will be very long.
I lost the whole day because of this train. What are you doing there? Ah! What an unlucky day.
Hope.
Wait.
Grab it.
Pass.
You were right. Bad luck exists. That's it. I'm gonna finish it up. To fight with bad luck.
Ethan, where are you going? What are you planning to do?
I will fight with it. Once I finish with this bush, I will finish with bad luck.
Come on, Ethan. That was a joke. There is no bad luck.
Really? Why was I unlucky the whole day then yesterday? And today?
That was just a really tough break. You know? Then it will become better.
When will this finally be better?
Close your eyes, turn around 3 times. Open your eyes. You will see the airstrip, and your life will be better.
1, 2, 3. Hooray! Life is better now. Bad luck is gone.
I've seen the airship 2 times already. I'm very lucky.
Uh-huh.
I need to check my luck. Let's see.
Hi.
Guys, I think it's bad luck for you now.
George, it's time to get up.
No, can I sleep for another 15 minutes? Gotta say goodbye to my friends in my dream. I want to be polite before I wake up, Mother dear.
Get up, come on. You'll tell them goodbye tomorrow.
Oh, Mommy, must you always cliffhang my night dreams like that?
Good morning, George.
Hello there, Wendy. Where are you running to so early, huh?
I'm taking a morning run. Want to run with me?
Oh, you know. I just got up a minute ago. I don't really want to run anywhere.
Oh, please, George.
Wow, cool. I don't want to sleep anymore. Thank you so much, Wendy.
You're welcome. It's fun to run together, isn't it?
We're starting the morning exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Time to get up!
2, 3, 4.
Ethan, I'm here.
2,
Hi, guys.
3.
I'm doing my morning
That's it.
exercise.
Come on, go.
I heard you calling me. Where are you heading to this
3,
early?
4, 1.
It's good to take a run after exercising.
4.
Well done, Wendy. I could be yawning all day long if not for her.
Thank you, Wendy.
You are welcome, Ethan. It's fun to run together, the three of us, right?
I'm still sleepy now. Shall I sleep another hour? Or maybe 3? Where are you running to?
Mrs. Dove, we are taking a morning run. Join us. I'm sure you'll love it.
Me? Joining you right now? Instead of getting some more sleep? Hey guys, wait for Mrs. Dove. I'm coming! Just you wait till I catch a second wind. We'll see who's the best.
What's happening here? What?
We're taking a morning run.
What? I can't hear you.
It's a run!
What? A fire? Where? Oh! Fire! Very interesting. Fire! We're burning! Help us! I can't go any farther. Oh my. A fire?
Wow, what a great run it was, right?
Yeah, cool, great.
Awesome!
Well, I told you, didn't I, guys? It would be fun to run together. Oh my goodness!
Where's the fire?
There's no fire at all. It was a regular morning run.
A fire! Fire! Help! Help! Wait, what? You mean there was no fire? We were all running for nothing, huh?
No, why nothing? I actually got my second wind. Can I please run with you every single morning?
Me too.
Of course you can.
Oh, well, I'll be running with you too, then. I will.
Oh, I love science fiction and I love aliens.
And I'm afraid of aliens.
Hey, take care now, Arnold. Don't let aliens abduct you on your way home now.
The aliens, well, they would eat up your engine.
Arnold is not afraid of anything. Aliens do not exist anyway. There are no lights in the fields. They do not exist. Ah! Listen, a night camera can film everything that is invisible in the darkness.
Well, that's really cool. I would film ghosts or aliens. They can't be seen in the darkness, you know. That's really cool.
Ghosts and aliens don't exist, Ethan. My camera films only existing objects that can't be seen during the daytime. Hey, George. The aliens want to eat up my engine. You're smart. You know everything. Do you have any alien repellent or something like that? Well, didn't I tell you? Look, George, please Don't let them eat up my engine.
Hey, kids, what's going on?
Hey, Mr. General. Nothing much. Only that aliens have landed here, and they seem to be out and about eating up engines from Fantastic and maybe from Arnold and Sam Sparky as well. George, please don't let them eat up our engines.
Now listen up, kids. Aliens do not exist. It's just make-believe. So please, I'm asking you to leave the field this instant.
The General knows something.
You know a lot when you're in the military. Hey, George, can we use your camera, please?
Ethan, don't yawn. You're making me yawn too.
I know, it's really contagious.
No, it's not. Not at all.
Alien invasion. Only in Train City. Take a picture with the witness. There were no aliens at all. We know the truth.
We have filmed everything with the camera, and we saw...
Mrs. Dove and me dancing a waltz together. Our only problem is we have no dance pavilion in the city, do we? Now, where on earth are we supposed to learn dancing?
A waltz school. Only in Train City.
Cold water! Clean water! Trains, don't forget to fill your tanks with cold water during the hot weather.
Oh, all the trees might die during the heat. We need to save the park.
Unbelievable! This is a record heat. Half a degree more, and there will be a record of the century.
You know, George, I would have changed this record heat to rain.
George, Ethan, there's a disaster. There's a heat wave in town.
Have you just noticed?
Guys, we have to do something about it, or else all the trees will die. George, we need to do something.
I think that we need to dig a well so that the trees will have some water.
Okay, then. When should we start, guys?
Ethan, bring me my well digger. This here, guys, is the achievement of my mind. The well digger can dig even to the other side of the earth, really.
Yeah, right. And then it arrives on the moon and continues digging there.
I will miss the record because of you. Cold water! Clean water over here!
Hey, George, is there any water here?
There is.
Maybe you should bring some water to this hole from our home.
Oh, it seems there is no water here after all.
Oh. Well, now there won't be any problems with water in the park.
But there will be problems in town.
What am I going to do? My water's run out.
this is my fault. I told George to do something. I didn't want the park to die.
No, kids. It was our fault that we didn't look after the park. Now, of course, it's not right to leave the town without any plumbing, but it was wrong of us to leave the park without any water. Wouldn't you agree?
Hooray! We have a record! A record! A record! A temperature record! Hooray! A temperature record!
Hey, George, you shouldn't stay in the water, you know. You might blossom.
We will be back tomorrow. We do believe you're a big boy now, so everything should be fine when we get back home.
Now don't invite anybody in. They could mess up the house. Georgie, we trust you, dear.
I trust me too.
How long did you say they would be away?
Ethan, let's go to your place.
No, it's boring. My parents are home. While at your place... Yay! The entire house is just for us.
For us? What do you mean for us? All right, just you three, but nobody else. And don't make any noise. Please, no, not with my dad's globe.
No problem. Not your dad's globe? Ha! We'll play with your mom's globe. This is so much fun. Ha!
Oh. Oh no.
Hey guys, it is time to thank George for his hospitality and give him a helping hand as his friends.
Are you gonna help me then?
Of course we are, George. The best help would be not to disturb you cleaning up. Was this party cool or what, guys? Thank you for the great day, dude. Goodbye.
Hey, George, I would have helped you, but it's too late.
Oh.
George, we came home early just to see if everything is all right at home.
I'm toast. Sweetie, we'll be home late at night. Are you going to be okay?
Of course. No problem.
I've heard your mom would be out for the rest of the day. Is that right?
Yeah? Why'd you ask?
I came to see how you were doing. Don't worry, Ethan. Eventually, we will help you by going home at the right moment.
Oh.
That
let's all sit by the fire in the evening.
Yes, let's all tell horror stories.
Oh, poor me. I washed a truck full of curtains. How would I dry them? There's a school inspection tomorrow. I'll spread them and run around to let the wind dry them up. Oh, poor me. Look at us here. We have to get dry as well. Ooh, ooh.
It's time. It's time for horror stories. Are you ready for this?
Well, I'm out of here.
Hey, where are you going, huh?
All horror stories are stupid. If you've been prepared in advance, then you won't be scared.
Come on, are you scared or what?
No, I'm not scared at all.
If you're not scared, then go to the lake and come back. Do it right now and show us.
And make sure you're not afraid of ghosts.
Ghosts don't exist anyway. You'll see, I'll show you.
George, don't go too far away, please.
Watch me. I'll go to the lake and I'll come back.
George doesn't believe in horror stories. He's so boring.
Hey, listen, why should we be scared of some ghosts?
Right, we wouldn't be scared. But if we were him, of course.
Oh, nothing to be scared of. Ghosts don't exist. I know that because I'm not afraid of anything. Science denies the existence of ghosts. Oh. Phew. Hallucination.
A ghost! A ghost! Hey, what are we? Are we scared of these tents?
I've got a question, guys. Who was it that gave me such a terrible fright in the forest?
We haven't been in the forest.
Is that Mrs. Duff?
Oh, it's so cold here. Oh, and it's so cold here, and to think that I've washed a truck full of curtains. I need to dry them up until tomorrow. That's when the school inspection comes.
Mrs. Dove, let me help you, please.
Ghosts don't exist. They don't. Ghosts don't exist. They don't.
George, are you coming?
George, did you forget about the heater?
Mom, I'm going to fish. What am I gonna do with this heater? Wait, yeah.
George, do you have warm socks so that your wheels don't get cold? And a warm blanket.
I have, Mom. Let's hurry, or I will have to take everything with me. Ethan, where are you?
I'm here. Hello, Grandpa Billy. Did you catch anything?
What do you mean by anything? I always catch a lot of fish.
Fine. We will drill a hole in the ice here. My father's favorite drill drowned. What a pity. I had no idea it couldn't swim.
Oh, wow. It must be a big fish. Probably it's a shark. Or maybe I caught a big fish drill. A horrible, scary, a really wild fish. It's a horrible, a really scary, a really, really, really big fish.
George, my wheels are so cold. Could you turn on the heater?
The air temperature is 15 degrees. I will turn on the emergency heating.
Wow, it's so hot today.
Yeah, I would love to swim today.
George, turn it off quickly so the water of the river doesn't boil.
But I can't turn it off.
What? Did you catch a fish? I guess I've been sleeping all winter and now it's springtime. What? Did you catch a fish?
The heater is on a cooling system now. Where is Grandpa Billy?
Grandpa Billy, right there. Look, someone dug up an ancient locomotive mammoth. He has 2 tusks sticking out.
Today I caught a fish drill this big. And now I think I'll go back and see if I can catch something else.
Fish drill? Wait, Grandpa Billy, I'm with you.
This is what we call the excitement of a real fisherman.
Too bad we're not allowed to participate in the street race.
Well, you know that we are just little kids, and our parents are worrying about us, that's all.
Uh-huh. They themselves can do what they please. Stay up late at night, or go for a street race. When I grow up, I will be a super racer.
Yee-hoo! Give way!
Who is the super racer here? You are? You wouldn't succeed in racing a turtle. No, you wouldn't. I can race you anytime. Wanna bet? Are you scared or what? Coward. I'm not a coward. You're on. I'll race you to the end of the street and back.
Ethan, I don't think it's a good idea.
Let's go. Whistle to start.
You are a hooligan! You broke a valuable prize! I'm taking you to your parents right away, and I hope they ground you with no movies or games.
I picked the tastiest engine grease. I really hope George likes it.
George!
Hi there.
How are you? What did your parents say?
They say I'm not allowed to go and see my friends. Yet on the other hand, they said nothing about my friends coming to see me.
We decided to cheer you up.
Ethan, it is you that I don't want to see. It was you who broke the prize, and I got punished for that. I think you should have told them the truth.
But I would have been punished, and I...
You guys may come in and help me to do something important.
What's going on with you, Ethan?
Nothing really.
Now tell me seriously, are you kidding me? I am an old battle iron horse. I see you're sad. You can tell me anything. I can maybe help you out.
I broke the prize. But George is the one that got punished for that. And I don't know what to do.
Well, I would say that if you did something wrong, you are the one responsible. That's right, even if you've done wrong. It is unfair when another guy is charged for your misdeed. Do you get it? And no fear, ever never.
That's it. I told you everything. It was me who broke the prize. Forgive George. He's innocent.
Well done, Ethan. You are very brave. I wouldn't tell if I were you, because I would be scared to death.
Listen, just tell my mom and dad to ground me in my room for what I did.
We made a new prize. Even better. It's even better. Friends again, Ethan, right, friend?
Yeah.